Hi guys, it's Adrian from SCowTube. On my car Audi A8 D3 year 2007, I ran out of battery, so I took the battery off to fully charging inside the house. But I always wonder how am I gonna open the boot lid back without a battery. So I looked for videos on YouTube, but I couldn't find something very clear. I found one video which was very dark, so I just figured it out myself, and I'm gonna show you as well. Also, I'm gonna show you how to open the door without a key. So first, let's open the boot. You got your key. If you can see, I open, nothing happens because the battery is dead. So we just go here, and literally the boot is open. So that's all you have to do. Okay. So as you can see, the door handle, neither on this side, on the other side, doesn't look to have a place where you put the key to open. But I'm gonna show you. I'll just put the camera down. Okay. So I don't know if you can see in the video. If you do like this, here is the place for the key. Now the door is open. Lock it back.